What should you do after being charged with a DUI in Kentucky? A DUI charge in Kentucky can have serious consequences, but with the right defense strategy, you can mitigate those consequences. It's important to act immediately, to contact an attorney right away to begin building your defense. A lawyer will have the knowledge of Kentucky's DUI laws needed to craft a personalized strategy to protect your rights and reduce penalties. There are several viable defenses to a DUI charge that we can explore, including challenging the evidence or questioning the legality of your arrest. If you have been charged with a DUI in Kentucky, your first step should be to call our firm. DUI defense attorney Tim Hendrix is here to help you navigate the legal system and protect your future. Visit us at www.timhendrixlaw.com to schedule a case evaluation if you or a loved one have been arrested for drunk driving.